Hey family, hey tastemakers, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I want to share with you a budget-friendly, one of my favorite budget-friendly breakfasts. You can have this. I make this for under $10 a week. So I want to share with you breakfast that you can make all week long for under $10. Okay. I'm not going to say it don't have no pork in it. It has some animal protein. This week, we're doing some animal protein. Then I'll do some other ones, okay? So this is going to help you with your budget. If you're in retirement, just watching your coins. And it's fairly healthy, okay? And it beats going to Starbucks and Chick-fil-A and all those every day. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I use some lettuce. I feel better if I get some greens in first thing in the morning. Got some lettuce. I have this French bread you get from Walmart for $1. Okay, so that's just $1. These were $2. And I'm going to use from my pantry. I got a little butter here. I may use it, I may not. 1 block of cheese all week long. This can last me 2 weeks. And just slice, create a few slices. 1 Roma tomato sliced. And a little bit of onion sliced, thinly sliced. 1 roll of country sausage and 1 dozen eggs. This is all for the whole week. And that's if you get these at a good deal. A good deal now is like $1 something. We used to be able to get these 57 cents a couple years ago. Okay, so and then like you can get, when they have like their little gala apples and stuff on sale, get a fruit. Get a bag fruit where you get multiple. I get either a bag fruit of these, a bag of these, or a bag of cuties. All right, so I already have a piece of sausage cooking over here. And we're going to go on over to the stove. And I'm going to pull it all together. Okay guys, so I'll cook 1 slice of sausage. Once it renders the fat, I'll put just a little bit of onion, 1 slice of French bread with a little pat of butter. And I just whip my egg up. Let me wipe down that oil there. If you were to get something like this from, a takeout spot, this would be just this on its own would be $10. But we can have this all week. We can have this, and it's not going to be as carb heavy, which won't spike our blood sugar. Okay, I'm over here kind of like just cleaning up and putting this stuff back into the refrigerator while that's cooking. Today I don't think I want coffee. I think I want tea. Okay, so my sausage is ready. Cooked nicely. Here's my egg. I got these little pans from Lidl a few years ago. And this is fun for me because as a former caterer, I'm used to cooking for a lot. And now, just cooking like one serving of stuff. Hubby's still at work, so he's straight. So I just have to make sure I'm good. Okay, that's okay. I didn't want it to cook that much, but just a little flavor on there. I want that to stay hot. Now, guys, I don't believe we've worked hard to get to retirement. We worked hard for our employers, for our families, for the country. And at this point of our lives, like it's hard. I mean, some people are still getting jobs, but, most people don't want to hire, someone in their 60s and 70s. So, I mean, we held it down. We held the country down for a long time. So I don't think that we should live terribly. I'm about living tastefully. We can do it for less. And spending all of that excess, over the years, we spent money and did all this and followed all the rules and, just to end up getting the short end of the stick. No. We have to make the most out of what we have. We can still live a good quality of life on a budget. But you don't have to always be thinking about, I'm on a budget. Just, do a little planning. All that food we were eating and all that stuff made a lot of us sick so that, you can't function as well as you could have. So that's what, I'm all about. That's what this channel is all about, is living tastefully for less, living the best you can. Of course, I'm not living lavishly. I'm living like I want to live. Over these years, we should have learned what we like and what we don't like, what we're going to put our energy towards. And those are the things I'm doing. We have to eat every day. And if you're on medication, you have to eat. So, I don't, it just breaks my heart if I see grown people that have worked hard and raised children, then they're eating cat food and living, in bad conditions. I hate to see that. Okay, so let's start building our sandwich here. I love this bread because it's so crispy. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Put my little onion on here. Just Okay, I cut it in half. I put my sausage on one side. Okay guys, so here is my breakfast sandwich. I'm going to eat a little cutie, maybe half of this cutie. And it's healthy. I got it's packed with vitamins and protein and a little carb. That's a good looking sandwich. Guys, this is so good. It's so good. So if you're one of those people that think you have to run out every day to get a breakfast biscuit, stuff like that, you know, it adds up. Okay. And so you can easily make this at home. Okay, my beautiful kings and queens, I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. Just want to inspire you guys to live tastefully for less, no matter what stage you are in your life. I'm gearing towards, I have a lot of retirees on my channel, and like I said, I'm so proud of us. We did the daggone thing. We have another phase of life to go through, and it can be just as fabulous. It's probably going to be better than the first half. Make this half better than the first, all right? So thank you so much. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Got food in my mouth. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.